What's up, everybody? Doing a quick unboxing of a new pair of headphones that I had just purchased. And I would like to say, first of all, before we get into this video, if you hear some background noise of some shutters rustling, that's just this hardcore Tokyo wind blowing and having its way with the apartment that I'm in. So don't mind that sound. But anyways, getting right into this unboxing, I'll tell you the reason why I bought these headphones first of all, so that you understand why I have them and what I'm going to use them for. So the purpose of these is that I have a mid 2012 MacBook Pro and the audio jack on that just died, and I'm also having a bad speaker connection with that, with the internal speaker not being able to play sound. So all of that is one problem, and that is coming from a logic board problem. And instead of just replacing the logic board for $300 to $400, I thought the cheaper thing to do would just be to buy a pair of not Bluetooth, excuse me, was to buy a pair of USB headphones, enabled headphones, so that I can just bypass the DAC inside of the computer and don't have to go through the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack to listen to any type of audio coming out of my computer. So the conditions that I purchased this in was, first of all, well, there were many conditions. They needed to be very cheap, but not cheap enough that the durability is not going to last and that they would break. The sound quality had to be not cheap, but not the most highest end things ever. So apparently this is the best balance and best bang per buck for quote unquote a gaming headset, but I'm going to be using it for just all around computer use. I'm going to mostly edit videos using these and just use it as consumer headphones. I'm going to be consuming YouTube videos, watching them with these things. Anything that I'm going to be doing on the computer that requires sound is going to use these headphones. But the beauty of this is that I don't only have to be just locked in there where I only have to use this with my computer. I can also use this with my PlayStation 4 as well, which is another good thing about it. So I can plug this inside of my controller and use the chat on my PS4 as well. So that's the double whammy, the double caveat there. All right, so this is the SteelSeries Arctis 5. Now there is an Arctis 7, but I felt that that one didn't cater to my needs because I definitely needed this cable to go in through the USB. Otherwise, I'm just not going to have audio altogether. I thought I could circumvent that problem another way by using my JBL Extreme Bluetooth connection, but when the audio on the logic board dies, that audio with the Bluetooth is dead as well. The only thing that works, and that was tried and true that I tried before I purchased this, was that USB does work on my computer. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. It says one bi-directional microphone, the best mic in gaming. That's what they state. A couple of YouTube reviews had said that it's decent, but it's not the best out there. USB chat mix dial, balance your game and chat audio. On-ear volume and mute controls. Ski Google suspension band. Ski goggle. Look, I'm reading words that's not even there. Comfortably fits any head. Airweave ear cushions. Exclusive athletics inspired breathable fabric. DTS Headphone X 7.1 surround sound. I've been told that the 7.1 is not the best thing on here, but the stereo is absolutely subliminal. All right, so we have something that we need to cut here. Let's see if we can get into this. I'm definitely looking forward to trying these, and I will be using them to actually edit the video that I'm shooting right now. All right, it looks like there's another place down here on the bottom. Yeah, it was about an hour of research before I decided that I was going to get these over anything that Logitech offers for the same amount of money. I thought that this would be the best bang per buck for my specific needs. Now, this is actually made specifically, it has multiple uses, but primarily this game, quote unquote, gaming headset was made for PC gaming, but it also works on PS4 as well. But I take it the PC gaming, if you're using it for that purpose, it's going to sound a lot better on PC than it will for PS4. But, you know, I'm not complaining. $100 is what I paid for these things. Look at that. That's very nice. If you take a look at the cover here, you see that when you have this connected, this trim that goes around the ear cup lights up with an LED light. This could change multiple colors, or you can use some settings to have it just one color, but I really like that blue there. Even the brand name SteelSeries lights up any color you want it. The microphone is a pull-out mic. This is a nice matte finish there. This is matte as well, but not specifically the same as this. This is kind of like a smooth texture, and this is a little bit rougher, but still matte and a little bit smoothed out. Headband that's adjustable, and I think it's adjustable with Velcro. You could take it off and put it back on to make it fit your head specifically. And here is the microphone that pulls out, and I hear that the mic quality is very good, so don't eat the mic, but just have it at a reasonable space away from your mouth, because you will be loud enough. So it's a detractable. And here's the volume that you can adjust it while it's on the ear. This is a mic mute button, I believe. This is for both of your connections, USB and 3.5 millimeter. And that is it. Let's see if there's anything else inside the box really quick. All right, so there's some accessories inside the back. Let's pull this out. Probably gonna need these things. These will be the cables. Product information guide, but of course we don't read that. As another YouTuber says that I watch, flick it, file it to the side. Tell me if you know which guy that is. You got a switch there. Pulling all this stuff out of here. 3.5 millimeter adapter. And we got this one. This is just straight mini USB. Now that's mini USB. That's wow, that's quite small there. It looks smaller than usual, but okay. Let's go ahead and pull out this volume switch. This is where you can regulate and have a nice balance between, I guess, music and background effects and all that stuff, and your chat audio. So we're gonna pull this off. First things first, this is how this works. This big USB in is going to go inside of your computer, and on this side you just slip on one end of this. Well, all right, this end actually goes inside the headphones. There's a little sticker there with a picture that shows you that, and this end, this flat end, is going to go right here inside of the volume control. Now I hope that this doesn't break any point in the future, because I don't know how I would replace this cable. And if you want to use the 3.5 millimeter jack for PlayStation 4 use, then you're going to use this one and just connect it like so here. But we're just going to bypass that today because I'm trying to get in through USB audio. So this is just a simple unboxing. I will try to get back to you guys in the future with how this thing sounds. Trying to get this inside of there is quite rough, actually. All right. I'm having some technical difficulties. All right, so I finally got that inside of there, and I'll try not to remove that. Ear cushioning is quite soft and plush. The inside, the little guard that's protecting you from the actual drivers and ear cups itself is quite hard. It could have been a thicker foam inside of there, but it is what it is. But this around the rim of the ear is quite nice and soft. All right, these turn in and out DJ style. Not like you're going to use them for that purpose, but just saying. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this unboxing. A quick look at the SteelSeries Arctis 5 and why I bought them and why you might need them. But anyways, best bang for buck out there. Review is coming soon. And until next time, I'll see you. Peace.